showing associated
Look at
with
her.
a signal for key red priority. They're clear to Walter for right car.
Oh!
11 days ago.
Baby, I'm gonna pull your big titty ass about that car. I'm sorry. Man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm so glad I'm not a police officer. I can control my emotions, but certain stuff like that where she, you know what, look you know what I'm saying? Look at you like, what are you gonna do about it? Like, she just looked at you like, whatever. Like, dismissing me. Oh my God. Baby, you know these are police officers, right? Like, they gonna do what they do. Yo, what's poppin', GE? Gang, boys, we are back with another banger reaction video. Guess what? Guess what tomorrow is? Let me on my, y'all see this pinky right here? Yeah, it's a real one birthday tomorrow. Yeah, my birthday is tomorrow. Ask me what I'm doing. Ask me what I'm doing. I'm working. Another day to me. It's another day to me. You feel me? Like no other day. It's another day. So I'm working. I'm working. Some people, you know, when you get to a certain point in life, birthdays is another days on the calendar. And that's just how I feel about it. Today we're about to tap into a video though. Police box her in, but she still's not. Police box her in, but she's still not giving up. This one should be fun. Shout out to the subscribers that sent me this video. Before we get into it, I ain't gonna hold you guys up. We getting straight to the BS. You feel me? Tap down in the comment section 1 through 10. Let us know. Let your family, your community know how you're doing today. How you doing mentally, emotionally, energetically, physically, psychologically, and most importantly, spiritually. Tap down in the comment section. Let's talk about it. We want to know. Like, we really want to know. You feel me? I'm at a 9.779. That's where I'm at right now. Let's get the video to 26,000 views, 1,000 likes. You know the norm. 1,000 likes. Come in, like the button. The giveaway going down on the 21st. I'm so glad that the miserable people ain't gonna win. I'm so glad that they come in and don't like the channel, because you know what I'm saying? I don't want them to get my money or our money. I want to give it to my people that already rock with me. So 21st giveaway going down. Be ready for that.
On December 23, 2022, an officer spotted a woman who had run from him 2 weeks earlier.
We went to pull her over the other day and she took off from me, and she also got resisting targets, so I'm just waiting for some other officers to grab her real quick. She's gonna go to jail today.
Yikes! Oh, they parked behind her.
For me. 12 Foxtrot that one time. Hello, ma'am. Go ahead and open the door. I don't think we got that. 1412, copy 28.
Foxtrot, November 01.
What is she doing?
Is this her? Ma'am, can you open the? Can you open the? There's no space. Can you open the door? Hey, ma'am, could you open the door? Yeah, that's her. She has the little front right there. Ma'am, you go ahead and open the door.
Subject still
She got a handicap placard. She is not
I
handicapped.
copy. Advice at 28 is showing associated
Look at her.
with a
She-
signal for key red priority. They're clear to Walter for right car.
Oh!
11 days ago.
Baby, I'm gonna pull your big titty ass about that car. I'm sorry. Man, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm so glad I'm not a police officer. I can control my emotions, but certain stuff like that where she, you know what, look you know what I'm saying? Look at you like, what are you gonna do about it? Like, she just looked at you like, whatever. Like, dismissing me. Oh my God. Baby, you know these are police officers, right? Like, they gonna do what they do, whether you gonna help them out or not. Look at this. Look. Watch this.
Approximately 11 days ago.
I copy. I pulled the flag out and tell her.
She don't give a damn.
Go ahead.
I didn't rewind it far enough, but y'all saw that look.
Oh, there he goes. Hey, the sticks are on the ground. She's put her in reverse.
They gonna put some spike strips on that joint too?
Oh, the sticks are gonna hit it.
Oh no, she back there. They're already back there. Boy, baby, what are you on? You're not gonna outroute this. What? Yo, meeps is off, baby.
Open the door. Please.
Hey, you got your
Then roll the window down.
Hey, 14, where's your sticks at? You want me to grab my sticks? I can put them in the front, too.
Because I want to talk to you. What?
Why she heard no black and mild? She ain't going mildly.
What? What's for the name calling? I've been nothing but nice to you.
Ma'am, can you step out?
She about to make this whole lot worse because she moving.
Yeah, I hear air leaking.
And she got sick.
She about to drive on some rims.
Move it again. Stop. Don't.
All right.
She done lost her. Why y'all not breaking the window?
Out of the car.
Oh, there we go.
Ma'am, go ahead and get out of the vehicle.
Can I get removed forcibly?
Kilo 11, Central.
She about to call her mama.
That's the same shit as last time.
Oh, she turned the music up like she in the clubbery.
Ma'am, get out of the vehicle.
This is strange. I ain't gonna lie. Too many black and miles went to her domery or something.
Pretty sure she got air leaking on the side.
Just hold on the window.
Ah, shit, I'm acting like I'm at the club too.
Be careful, she whips that thing out. And some shit.
Roll that a little bit.
I don't even understand how they got to this point.
So what
like,
we got is this lady has 65 charges from McGovern, and then she got fleeing and looting charges for Centeno.
oh, she already ran.
We've covered. I went to Broadway and asked for the case number that should be on the screen. I put my sticks in the back. That sticks already hit the back left rear tire. She's been trying to get out like slowly.
Okay.
And then she just doesn't want to open the door.
This your car?
This is Izzy, Centeno, and then mine's over there.
Let's get it a little closer.
Stay around the way.
All right, so just to confirm, we have
Fleeing and loot charges.
fleeing and loot charges,
Shoplifting charges.
shoplifting charges.
And the vehicle's been involved in a 23 and a priority 65 from Walmart.
Okay. And she's
Walmart.
not
23
willing,
was in Walmart.
okay, she's not willing to come out?
She's not willing to come out of this vehicle.
Try to talk to her. She was rolled on. Can you hear me? Ma'am, can you hear me? Snoring and everything.
Let me talk to her, okay?
Baby girl on that Zaza.
Listen, you can pretend that you don't hear me, but this is what's gonna happen. We have charges for your arrest right now. If you do not open this door, we will break these windows and we will get you out. Do you understand me? There's probable cause for your arrest. Probable cause for your arrest. I'll explain to you if you step out. There's no need for this. Shoplifting, fleeing and loot. So this will happen one of two ways. Each one of those ways ends up with you going to jail tonight. Do you understand me? But I don't want to do that. I want you to come out. You can tell me what the issue is.
Boy, she
Look
really
around.
done.
There's nowhere to go but out of this door. Ma'am, you're not free to go. You are under arrest. You need to come out.
The tire's going to point towards you. It's going to sting out.
If she turns, she's gonna turn to you guys.
What? I can't hear you. Can you get your car closer there? I can't hear you. You need to roll your window down or something. Understand that we need you to come out of this vehicle. Don't do that.
Do that, man.
Still moving a car.
Don't do that.
You're running over my officers right now.
Investigators at Wawa Temperature.
Let me tell y'all something. One thing I know, she got her hair done, baby. Her mugshot gonna look better than all the motherfucking videos we did the last weekery. I'm talking about half braids, George Jefferson out. You know what I'm saying? Like, her hair is done, makeup done. She came out the house looking rightery. So her mugshot, she got this. At least you got to look forward to that, okay? You're not gonna be looking crazy. I mean, you look crazy, but you're not gonna be looking crazy if that makes sense for you. But what you're doing right now makes no sense, baby. Like, you're not getting out of this situation. I don't know what you could possibly be thinking in your head to be like, you know what? I'm gonna make this 30 times worse. That's what I want to do. I'm already going. Might as well go for the mostest. I don't know.
Close.
11 Office 10-6, 1033 for the unit, wall for 25th.
I need you to step out of the vehicle.
Man, step out of the vehicle. All right.
Not this one. We're going to do that window.
Okay.
Listen, I will give you one option to step out of this vehicle. We're going to break that window. We're going to get you out. Do you understand me?
I wonder if she's gonna cry once
Let me
they
know
do that
when,
and pull her out.
You need to come out. Ma'am, you need to step out.
Me.
We're not going to do that. I just need you to come out and talk to me. I'm trying to explain to you, but you're not. Right now, you have charges for shoplifting and fleeing the loot.
Sir, she don't care. She said she's
So
willing
what's
to
it
go
gonna be?
to the upper room. Is what she said.
I don't want to have to break the windows on this car and yank you out of this car when you can just step out on your own. There's no need for any of the extra stuff.
Hey, she reaching. They ain't break the window yet. Like,
Doing?
all right,
Man, what are
anybody
you
else?
doing? What are you doing?
I need you to stop reaching around. Ma'am,
Yeah, move out of the way. Move out of the way.
Am I good to?
She got toilet paper
Stop
in her,
reaching
in her
around,
bag.
ma'am, stop reaching. Be smart about this and come out. There's nowhere to go. You can't go forward. You can't go back. I just need you to step out. You step
Sir,
out, everything's gonna be
break
nice.
the window
Nobody's gonna
already.
harm you.
What are we waiting for?
Nobody's gonna do anything to
She's
you.
not gonna cooperate. It's not happening.
Huh?
I can't hear you. Crack it a little bit, just a little bit, so I can hear
Crack
you.
your window. Hey, reverse lights are on.
All right. Break it.
All right.
That ain't about time. She got bulletproof windows. Oh, there we go.
Ma'am, go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
Step out. Nobody's gonna shoot you.
Hit unlock.
Hit unlock on that.
Get unlock on the door.
Step out of the vehicle, ma'am.
No,
Step out.
She's still ain't
You're
stepping
gonna get
out.
pepper sprayed.
pepper spray me. Let me fucked up.
Taser her, bitch. Taser, taser, taser. She a fighter, baby.
We're good. We got
Watch
enough.
his hand. Watch his hand. Watch his hand.
What is her meat freeze on? Because she
She's
shows
not resisting.
violence.
Double up. Double up.
Double up.
Hey, well, once you're not scared.
There was no need for this. This is all because you chose to.
I need a wheelchair.
All right, let's roll over.
Did she say she's in a wheelchair?
That was easy.
All right, we're gonna roll you to your right side, okay?
You want your shoes?
No, sir, because I can't stand up.
You want to sit on your butt?
Yeah. Ouch.
Confused, man. Like,
Okay. Whatever's
What was
case
the
it is,
point?
obviously, Rita Miranda, do your interviews for whatever you have.
You read her all the rights?
Yeah.
And
That's my stick.
all right, ma'am. If you want to speak to us, you can. If you choose not to, you don't have to without a lawyer present. However, if you do understand the rights that we read to you, why wouldn't you get out of the car? Choosing not. All right, she invoked.
Have any damage to the cars because it looked like when she tried to push forward, she just made contact with Mateo's tire, and then Irizarry was on the backside. He just had. Once she started bucking towards us, he had positive pressure.
You definitely stuck the car.
Look at that smile.
Technically, that's my stick, though.
Well, that's my stick.
Yeah, but that's my
This car's going to be towed, so obviously we need somebody to do an inventory.
Good. I'll do that.
You right, Sonny?
Thank you.
I ain't gonna lie, this was strange. I don't know why she chose to go this route. I really don't. You're not gonna get no more McDonald's tonight. No more McFlurries, chicken nuggets.
Really.
It's over with tonight. Big kids meal, chicken dinner. She was charged with resisting. Hold on. She was charged with resisting without violence, fleeing and eluding police, and possession of MDPV. Now she got a wheelchair, so I guess she is disabled. She chose violence, man. This was a strange one. This was a strange one. I ain't gonna lie, because I don't know why she. I mean, I know why she. I don't know why she. She knew the charges. She knew she shoplifted from Walmart. She knew she had 65 charges. She knew she used her car to flee to lose somewhere else. She wasn't going to win the situation. So why she chose to go, she just wanted to work, I guess, basically. Taser me. Mace me. I don't care. She said, me. She said, with the real pew me, I want to go to the upper room. Lady, they need to go check you into the psych ward because something in life is not on your side right now. Like, you know, something beating you up and you need to go handle that because you should not be in this position. You came out the house looking all cutery, hair done, makeup done, outfit all done, looking like a whole Harlem, you know what I'm saying, train tagged up with the sprayery on there. I saw your outfit. You looking good. Somebody gonna miss you for the night. Didn't have to go this route. Go get your meat together, man. We need you back on the streets. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is crazy. I'm telling you, when people are really going through it, some choose to go all the way with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm already beat down. And I may as well go all the way with it. That's just how some people think. And I don't know. I would never. If I'm down, I don't want to make my situation any worse unless I really want to be in the dirtery. And then that's what she said. Put me in the dirt or the upper room. One of the two. Oh, tap down in the comment section, man. Let's talk about it. This one's still strange to me. Shout out to everybody that sent me the video. Shout out to my people. I love my people. I see all the love comments and you know what I'm saying, on both channels. I love my people. You guys already know that. So we're going to keep rocking, keep on doing what we're doing. We're going to keep running the videos up. We're going to keep doing our giveaways. The holidays are coming. Birthday tomorrow. Another day. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to just try to get out as many videos as I can for you guys and for me because I just have too much fun doing them, like if you guys can't tell. And shout out to the miserable people, baby! You know what I'm saying? I can't stand, you know, you really got to be a miserable person when you try to come to somebody else's channel and tell them they talk too much. You know, man, I promise you, if I wasn't who I am today, sophisticated, laid back, emotions in checkery, went to the dome. You feel me? Like, just because you're being dumb. I'm going to tell you guys this right now. When I watch YouTube, which is, it's not that often because I'm doing my own thing, right? When I do watch YouTube and I come across somebody that I don't like, they'll never know I was on that channel. I'm just going to quietly leave. They not for me. Why can't people do that? Because you're miserable. You got to come in. You're going to take time to write your little dumb comment, even though you see all the 500 comments that are nothing but positive. And you got to come in and throw your goofball, lowball, meepery comment in there just because you're miserable. And if I didn't know no better, I'd be like, oh, you just hated it. No, your meepers are low and you're miserable. Like, you're a miserable person. It doesn't take a lot to understand it. Once you know people, you know what I'm saying, and how people move and what certain things, when people do certain things, you know where it's coming from a miserable place or a hater place or whatever. I just laugh at it, but at the end of the day, I'm so glad those people from the beginning let us know who they are because they'll never win our giveaways. They'll never win our lunch giveaways. They'll never be able to buy none of the merch. Ever, because I'm looking at the names. I'm looking at the faces. Never. Can't infiltrate us. I love you guys though. Keep coming back. Like, you know, you guys watch the video on the low. I know. Come on, you guys watch the video on the low. Because the videos are just too good and we have too much fun. You want to be a part of it, but you can't help but to be miserable at the same time. But keep watching on the low because I need that view. For sure. Do that. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. It's your boy Fujiga, man. I'm about to knock out another video. Just got to feel good. Like, I feel good.